The diagram shows a hemisphere with a diameter of 8.4 centimeters, and we need to work out the volume of the hemisphere, giving our answer correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, so we're helpfully told up here that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we can see here we're using the radius. We haven't been given the radius at the minute. We've been given the diameter, which is 8.4 centimeters. So now the diameter is 2 times the radius, which implies that the radius is the diameter divided by 2. Therefore, in our case, to get the radius, what we need to do is divide 8.4 by 2, which gives us 4.2 centimeters. So now from that, what we can do is we can use our volume of a sphere formula over here. So it's going to be 4/3 multiplied by pi, multiplied by, so the radius we just worked out was 4.2 to the power of 3. Now I'm going to keep that in terms of pi for the minute to make it a bit easier to write. So if you put that into the calculator, multiplying 4.2 to the power of 3 by 4/3, we should get 98.784. We need to remember our pi, but I'm just going to leave it in terms of pi for the minute to make it a bit easier to write down in our working. So this is the volume of the whole sphere. However, we're just looking at a hemisphere, half of it. So the volume of the hemisphere, we're going to do a half multiplied by the volume we just worked out. So 98.784 pi. But remember this time, if we use our pi button on the calculator, we can multiply by an accurate number for pi, which equals 155.16954 ... But we're told we need to give our answer correct to 3 significant figures. So doing that rounding, we'll get 155 to 3 significant figures. So we get our first mark for using the formula for the volume of a sphere, and remembering that for a volume of a hemisphere, we're going to need to times it by half or divide by 2. Then we got a second mark for getting the correct answer of 155 centimeters cubed.